Hi friends, thanks for watching. Today I'm bringing you some cleaning motivation. I'll be tidying up and dusting, doing a little bit of decluttering, mostly the main areas of my house, but I hope you guys are doing well and staying healthy. For me, the focus this week was definitely getting this homeschooling down, and I felt really good about the routine that we're in, and I just feel like we turned a corner with the homeschooling. It is definitely an adjustment, but we are persevering and it's getting easier each day. But I hope you guys enjoy this video and hopefully it gives you tons of cleaning motivation. As you can see, I am tidying up my kitchen, clearing off the countertops before wiping them down, and then I will work on the dirty dishes. But we have been snacking nonstop in this household since the quarantine. Can anyone else relate? It feels like we have 2 lunches every day, 2 dinners every day. We have definitely been doing a lot of eating. And my pantry is a complete disaster. So what I like to do from time to time when it gets kind of crazy looking, as it does at the moment, in this video anyways, it's much cleaner right now, but is I like to just go through and take out anything that's expired, anything that is an empty box, and just kind of recategorize everything, because even though the bins really help to keep things organized, it still needs to be maintained, if that makes sense. So I'll do a little bit of decluttering of that pantry here in just a little bit.
Nobody's like you. You are not normal at all. No, I feel like I want to let down my guard and just fall. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. It's time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let me down? But will you let me down? Nobody's like us. When people see us, they know. I feel so much for you that I don't know what to do. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. It's time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let me down? But will you let me down? Oh yeah, oh yeah. But will you let me down?
Now that the kitchen is all nice and tidied, I'm moving on to laundry, and please excuse the clothes on top of the dryer there. That is my husband's, what I like to call his outdoor project uniform. Those are the clothes that he is allowed to get dirty, and he's getting ready to go work on a project. But to stay up on my laundry, I do at least one load of laundry a day. Sometimes I do more, but I attempt to do at least one load to stay on top of things. And for some reason, I thought that while we're under quarantine, that I would have less laundry to do, and unfortunately that has just not been the case. Can anyone else relate to this? So I'm gonna declutter my laundry room and hang up all of those coats that you saw that were crowding that space. So I'm just hanging them up in my hallway coat closet. And this is another closet that I need to kind of revamp. It's getting quite crowded here. So one day I want to tackle this closet and kind of redo it. But I am going to go ahead and tidy up my pantry that I talked about earlier. Again, this is something that just needs maintenance from time to time to keep it organized.
Tonight we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah.
Again, I am so happy that you stopped by today, and I hope that you're enjoying this video. Hopefully you're gaining that much needed cleaning motivation. If you are, please give this video a thumbs up. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you join this wonderful community. But excuse the shaky camera footage here. I set up the camera stand behind my daughter was actually laying on the floor watching her tablet, and I had the camera set up behind her, and she didn't realize it, and she was kind of swinging her legs, and she kept kicking the stand, and unfortunately the stand fell and hit the wall, but thankfully my camera was okay. My camera was not damaged. I'm so grateful for that. So I'm just getting some dusting done. I'm going to dust my staircase, which needs it more often than I'd like, and I just wanted to kind of show you a close-up because from far away you can't really see how dusty things get, and it happens so quick. I'll dust one day and 2 days later there will be tons more dust, so it's quite frustrating. I feel like I can never stay on top of my dusting, but with 2 dogs as well, it's something that is a constant struggle because they shed so much. So there's always lots of fur that needs to be vacuumed, and even fur in the dust. Moving on to my bathroom. Now this is the bathroom on our main floor, so this is the bathroom that gets used the most and needs the most upkeep. But unfortunately I was out of my toilet wand refills to clean the interior of my toilet, or the toilet bowl I should say. I always like to use the Mr. Clean wands with the refillables, and unfortunately I was out of those, so I wasn't able to clean the bowl, but I did clean the outside of the toilet area, which is one of my least favorite things to clean, as I'm sure many of you can relate. Again, here is a close-up of the dust and fur that I have to work with. It is a constant struggle, and the dogs are in a shedding phase right now, so the shedding is on a whole new level. I cannot stay on top of it. That's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and have a wonderful day. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.